What's up, guys? Okay, so today we're actually going to be breaking our fast with some Mahi Mahi. For those that are new to my channel, my name is Sean Taylor. I'm the creator of this great space, the Fusion Pit Nation. So today we're actually going to be talking about how we're going to sear up some Mahi Mahi and some red cabbage. And the reason why I picked these two is they are both perfect for those that really need to build up their testosterone levels, and that's guys and girls. Actually, we're actually going to get started with some Mahi Mahi, and I like to keep our seasoning simple. We got a little bit of cracked pepper here, a little bit of kosher salt, and one of my favorites when it comes to seafood, and that's Old Bay seasonings. Every time I think about Old Bay seasoning, I think about my grandmother making those fish cakes. Boy, I tell you, I mean, you haven't lived until you taste one of Mary Frances Jackson's fish cakes. Boy, those things was the bomb. I'm gonna season up my salmon here. First of all, I'm gonna drizzle it with a little bit of EVOO, just a little. And so I'm also going to just lightly dust it. So you want to use about anywhere between I would say a quarter of a teaspoon to maybe a skosh more. So I just like a light dusting. You see that? Just a light little dusting. And then of course, my favorite, Old Bay seasoning. Not high in fat. You want to be careful with it. So I'm removing these from the heat just shy of 3 minutes, and I'm going to let these rest because I'm going to return these back to the heat in just a little bit. And then I've got the last two right here. All right, so again, I'm going to remove these just short of the cooking time here. It's got that nice golden crust on it right there. I love that. So now I'm going to put the veggies in. Now the veggies, you want to do it in order of whichever one it takes longest to cook. In this case, it's my purple cabbage. All right, it's already been dressed. I'm going to let the cabbage saute down just a little bit first, right? Then I'm going to add the onions to it. But what the piece de resistance is the combination of the red cabbage and the button mushrooms, because here's what we're getting here. Now remember, the whole point of all of this is to build muscle, to burn body fat, and to transform our bodies, right? So you want to be eating to that effect. So that's one of the reasons why I chose Mahi Mahi and the vegetable selection. So you don't want to just arbitrarily choose healthy food. Does that make sense? So today is cabbage and button mushrooms because, get this, the combination is selenium, zinc, vitamin D, potassium, and protein. All of this, and this is just the veggies. And then of course, when you have the healthy fats to go along with it, that's how you have the assembly of the perfect meal. So now I'm actually going to add the onions with that. All right, and then I'm going to start layering the seasonings. So we're going to add, oh good, this is about a teaspoon of garlic. So now I'm going to add in a little bit of cooking wine. Hear that? Add a little fresh shaved Parmigiano. And just a little, not too much. I'm actually going to turn it off now. And I'm just going to introduce it back here. Just kind of let all of the flavors just kind of meld together. And then I'm going to plate this bad boy up.